Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Minho Park, and I will be your course preceptor for the course, Automating HR Processes with Software Tools. Overview. In the contemporary business environment, human resources, HR, is no longer solely an administrative or support function. It has evolved into a strategic pillar critical to organizational success. The growing complexity of workforce management, the acceleration of digital transformation, and the increasing demand for efficiency, accuracy, and compliance have made automation an indispensable aspect of modern HR practices. This course provides an in-depth, comprehensive, and wide-ranging exploration of automating HR processes using software tools, guiding you through both the conceptual frameworks and practical applications of technology-driven HR management. By examining the full spectrum of HR functions, recruitment, onboarding, performance management, learning and development, payroll, benefits administration, employee engagement, compliance tracking, workforce analytics, and succession planning, you will understand how automation can redefine HR operations and elevate the function to a strategic decision-making role. Learning objectives. By the end of this course, you will be fully equipped to design, implement, and manage automated HR processes that improve efficiency, accuracy, compliance, employee experience, and strategic impact. They will possess a holistic understanding of HR software tools, workflow optimization, data analytics, change management, and ethical considerations, enabling you to lead digital transformation initiatives within the HR function. This course is ideal for HR professionals, managers, business leaders, HR consultants, and aspiring HR technologists who seek to leverage technology to transform traditional HR functions into efficient, data-driven, and strategically impactful operations. You will leave the course with the skills, insights, and confidence to drive automation projects, improve operational efficiency, and foster a digitally empowered workforce. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.